Comparison of curved surface areas and total surface areas of two right circular cylinders. Objective: to compare the curved surface areas and total surface areas of two right circular cylinders which are formed from rectangular sheets of paper with same dimensions. Prerequisite knowledge: first, construction of a cylinder from rectangular sheet by paper folding. Second, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Third, circumference and area of a circle. C is equal to 2 pi r. A is equal to pi r square. Materials required: glazed paper, sketch pens, a pair of scissors, Fevicol, sellotape, geometry box. Procedure: first, take two rectangular sheets of paper of same dimensions as L is equal to 14 cm and B is equal to 7 cm, named as rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Second, curve the rectangle 1 along its length L equal to 14 cm. Third, join two ends with sellotape to get a cylinder. Fourth, similarly curve the rectangle 2 along its breadth B is equal to 7 cm to get another cylinder. Observation: for rectangle 1, length of the rectangle is equal to circumference of the circular base of the cylinder. Therefore, L is equal to 2 pi r1 equal to 14 cm. R1 is equal to 14 by 2 pi equal to 7 by pi. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to height of the cylinder. B is equal to h equal to 7 cm. Therefore, curved surface area C1 is equal to 2 pi r1 h1 equal to 2 pi into 7 by pi into 7 equal to 98 cm square. Total surface area T1 is equal to 2 pi r1 square plus C1 is equal to 2 pi into 49 by pi square plus 98 is equal to 98 into 1 plus pi by pi. For rectangle 2, breadth of the rectangle is equal to circumference of circular base of the cylinder. B is equal to 2 pi r2 is equal to 7 cm. R2 is equal to 7 by 2 pi. Length of the rectangle is equal to height of the cylinder. L is equal to h2 equal to 14 cm. Curved surface area C2 is equal to 2 pi r2 into h2 equal to 2 pi into 7 by 2 pi into 14 is equal to 98 cm square. Therefore, total surface area T2 is equal to 2 pi r2 square plus C2 is equal to 2 pi into 49 by 4 pi square plus 98 is equal to 49 into 1 by 2 pi plus 2 equal to 49 into 1 plus 4 pi by 2 pi. Result. First, the curved surface area or lateral surface area of two cylinders of different height and radius formed from the two rectangular sheets of paper of same dimensions are same. Second, the total surface area of two cylinders of different height and radius formed from the two rectangular sheets of paper of same dimensions are not same. Learning outcome. Concept of comparison of curved surface area and total surface area of two cylinders formed from the two rectangular sheets of paper of same dimension is more clear. Students can understand easily that C1 is equal to C2 but T1 is not equal to T2. Activity time. Take a rectangular sheet of paper of size 22 cm into 10 cm. Form the two cylinders curved along its length and curved along its breadth. Compare the lateral surface area and total surface area of these two cylinders.